To reduce this system to a single transfer function, we start by noting that those two blocks are in cascade. We can just multiply the transfer functions, giving us s squared. And then this block becomes in parallel with this 1 over s block. They are fed from the same signal, and their respective outputs are added. When you have a parallel combination like this, you can add the transfer functions, which gives us s squared plus 1 over s, or s cubed plus 1 over s, if we give them a common denominator. Now, we can look at the 1 over s block and consider moving it past this pickoff node or past this pickoff node. So either swipe it right or left. These are two viable options, and perhaps we can talk about it in a future video. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me talk about moving blocks past pickoff nodes and summing junctions. But for now, there's a much easier method. This part of the system is a clear feedback, and so we can use the feedback formula, where G is the system in the forward path and H is the system in the feedback path. In this case, the feedback system is just a wire, meaning the transfer function is 1. It's a unity feedback system. So we can replace G by s cubed plus 1 over s, the forward system, and H by just 1. Multiplying the top and bottom by s gives us this rational expression, s cubed plus 1 over s cubed plus s plus 1. So that is the simplified system. Now, this is clearly cascaded with an integrator, meaning the 1 over s block to its right. So we can multiply the transfer functions, just an extra s in the denominator, basically. And finally, we have a big feedback path. And so we can use the feedback formula once more, except G is this entire forward block, and H is this S in the feedback path. It's no longer a unity feedback system this time. The S cancels in the denominator, and now we can multiply top and bottom by the big denominator, S times S cubed plus S plus 1. We can now expand what we get in the denominator, the two pairs of brackets, and then if we add like terms, we get 2s to the 4 plus s squared plus 2s. And therefore, this big block constitutes the entire system going from input all the way to the output.